Well, tonight I'm reorganising the garage yet again. So notice there's no 4-cylinder engine over here now. I'll put these shelves here so they're out of the way. It fits nicely over the pie cooler. I've dragged the 4-cylinder over here, ready to rebuild the damn thing. So, actually look quite forward to getting this running again and driving it, because this thing's probably one of the best engines I've ever come across. So well balanced. It just does 6,500 RPM and you wouldn't know it. Like any other car, you'd be doing about 2.5 for the amount of vibrations this thing gives. So, like, it's just a beautiful engine. But so yeah, now that the car is sold, they want it running. So I'll re-hone the bores, or might even send the block off and get it nicely done, like properly by professionals, and then get it back and put it all together. I've already done the Welsh plugs in this not long ago, but this engine had been owned by a woman and it had a leaking radiator, and she just kept on putting stop leak in it. And previously someone had done the Welsh plugs and knocked one in and left it in there. So what had happened was all of the stop leak got caught back here and blocked this whole section up. When I changed this, I spent probably 2 hours getting all the mud out of this area, but now I've looked down through these galleries, into the galleries, and I can see this Welsh plug's fully covered with mud up to about that height, all the way up to here. So I'm going to have to knock this one out, which I'm going to do anyway, put a new one in, but wash all that out, make it all pretty. So you've got to keep an eye on that with old cars. But yeah, nice project. This is for the Toyota Corona Mark II 1970 model. Well, it's all together, it runs beautifully. Now time to paint it. So I'm not going to test run it again today. I've already got the soft starter nice and warm. Nice. It's almost full. Almost. Nice barrel. Goddamn RustCo. I hate their metal towers, the bloody pieces of shit. This is a lovely night for a drive. Love driving in the fog. Kind of fun. The worst fog I've driven in is where you couldn't see the Mercedes badge. That was interesting.